Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by right-clicking the desktop to open Display Settings on Windows. In Settings, select System and then Display to view resolution. The active resolution appears as numbers like 1920x 1080 or 1366x 768. Check the Scale and Layout section to see scaling percentages, such as 125% or 100%. If an external monitor is connected, open the Monitor OSD to confirm native resolution. Write down both resolution and scale for accurate measurements. On Mac OS, open System Settings and click Displays to view the current resolution and scaling. Mac OS may report Retina scaling. Enable Default for display to see native pixels. On Linux, open Settings, then Displays or run xrandr in a terminal to list connected monitors and resolutions. Look for entries like 2560 x 1440 or 3840 x 2160 in the xrandr output. You can also, if you need physical clarity, measure the diagonal of the screen in inches with a tape. Divide pixel resolution by diagonal size to estimate pixel density or PPI for clarity comparisons. Check the monitor on-screen display for its native resolution and refresh rate, such as 60Hz or 144Hz. Note the aspect ratio like 16, 9 or 4, 3 to match content correctly. Finally, record resolution, scaling percent, and refresh rate to use when setting graphics or troubleshooting display issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.